At 20th Conference of Parties of the UN Climate Conferences here in Lima in 2014, local government-related activities were branded under the Local Government Climate Roadmap Lima Dialogues. The key highlights of the Lima Dialogues was the event that was hosted at the Lima City Hall on 8th of December, Monday. This event was aiming to prepare the key positions of the local government and municipal authorities constituency towards to the high-level segment of COP20. The Lima Communique was presented at the high-level event at the City Hall, and through online and interactive consultations with the constituency members, it was announced at the ICLE side event on the 9th of December during the Conference of Parties UNFCCC official side event. Lima Dialogues, Lima Communique consists of 5 main points. First, it addresses the concerns about the growing science that we are close to a point of no return in climate changes, and it also addresses that no city or region can bear the consequences of these huge changes in the climatic changes if we don't improve our efforts in both mitigation and adaptation. The second point of the Lima Communique addresses that local and subnational governments ask for an inclusive and ambitious climate regime in the post-2015 period. By meaning inclusive, this means that we should be, as governmental stakeholders, strongly engaged in the process and receive appropriate resources. In the third point, Lima Communique expresses sincere appreciation to the efforts of the ADP co-chairs, the UNFCCC Secretariat, the Troika, COP19, COP20, COP21 presidencies, which are Poland, Peru and France, for their efforts into the work of local and subnational governments to be better engaged in the global climate process. The fourth element of the Lima Communique strongly underlines that local and subnational governments will continue to build partnerships with all actors of the civil society and at all levels of government. And the final point, from Lima to Warsaw, we will continue to increase our advocacy through local government climate roadmap. We will increase our commitment to enhance our transparency and accountability of our actions, both at the regional level, at the national level, and at the global level, which is mainly through the Carbon Cities Carbon Climate Registry.